Here's a review on LucidLink. LucidLink is accessible on Google, Safari, or Chrome. LucidLink can make you collaborate everywhere instantly. As you can see on their website, there is already an AI where you can talk and actually help you to go ahead and explore the LucidLink application. As you can see, this is the sample dashboard that they have. There are very organized files that you can use. There is also access shared files instantly. So as you can see, when you're using any other apps to actually file on your files, sometimes access cannot be do instantly. But here in LucidLink access is one of their best feature. You can actually work together while working from anywhere, and this is very accessible if you are a work from home employee. There is also video collaboration that you can share your files with your team. So if you want a file storage that you can share with your team, friends, or workmates, LucidLink is the right one for you.